If there is one disruptive technology that has been creating a lot of controversy, you either love it or hate it, it is blockchain. And in this video, I'm sharing with you 10 deals at a global level that are placing blockchain not only in the forefront, but also as a viable opportunity to create value. Hi, my name is Josue Batista, and this is a segment of What and Why First. If you're following the blockchain space, you have to agree with me that it has been fascinating to see how much blockchain's value proposition has evolved during the last year or so. It has gone from just a buzzword to some degree of realizable value. Of course, there is still much to accomplish, but progress is being made thanks to your enthusiasm and commitment to digital ledger technologies. That is why I wanted to share with you a roundup of 10 blockchain deals and launches that happened in the past 4 weeks or so. Let's start with deal number 1. This is in the collaboration space. Amazon and other major blockchain developers have teamed up to build on an existing distributed web incubator called a Startup Studio that will allow entrepreneurs more tools to adopt the technology. In that deal, more than 20 companies are involved in collaboration, including IDEO Collab, Deloitte, and Fidelity. Now, these companies will build upon the blockchain that IDEO Collab launched in February. Deal number 2 is in the logistics realm. Global company HSBC tested its blockchain platform Voltron and found that it can reduce transactions time by 40%. Voltron was tested to see how quickly it could process a shipment between Hong Kong and Dubai. For this, HSBC partnered with Landmark Group, which offered its own blockchain platform called RechainMe. Through the two platforms, the transaction time was reduced by 12 days, or 40%. Deal number 3 is in finance. IBM has partnered with 3 Australian financial services companies on a blockchain release called Ligon. Now, IBM, ANZ, Commonwealth, and Westpac will use the digital ledger technology to collect and digitize data from a test group of leaseholders in Australia. The next 4 blockchain deals are in the health tech space. Deal number 4 is about Uber's health subsidiary. They announced on July 9th that the company has partnered with blockchain startup Solve.care. Now, with this service, clients will be able to schedule and book rides to healthcare appointments through Uber Health. Users can then pay for the services using Solve.care's native token or cryptocurrency. This is actually Uber's health first step toward using cryptocurrencies in their systems. Deal number 5 is from Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. They are developing new methods of processing data using artificial intelligence and blockchain without having to share the data to a widely accessible cloud or across borders. And they're doing that by integrating digital ledger technology and AI to allow what is called swarms of connected devices to learn directly from each other, rather than sharing their data to a common cloud. So for example, a blockchain could collect findings from a group of internet-connected X-ray machines and assign one machine to analyze the data and send its own findings back to the entire swarm, each of which then will learn and update from those results. Pretty clever, and it's also a security mechanism. Now, deal number 6 comes from artificial intelligence company Sensine Health. They have partnered with blockchain developer Ernst & Young Global Services to develop a decentralized ledger. Now, this new platform will tie the payments of medicines to specific clinical outcomes and patient satisfaction benchmarks. Additionally, it will allow for faster reimbursements and better treatment option choices for patients. Deal number 7 comes from the National Cancer Institute that created a blockchain system to allow users to share clinical data. Starting at the Rensselaer Polytech Institute, the program will leverage IBM Hyperledger, my favorite. Users of the system, including providers, patients, and researchers, will be able to share data more efficiently. Now, the energy sector, especially oil and gas, made the news as well with the following 3 interesting deals. Deal number 8. Global energy giant Repsol acquired about 8% stake in Finboot, a software company based in Barcelona, Spain, that facilitates and simplifies the adoption of blockchain technologies into daily business operations, focusing on industrial supply chains. Repsol estimates that the solution will save approximately 400,000 euros per year, even with a limited rollout. Congratulations to the people at Repsol and Finboot. Deal number 9. The 5th largest oil and gas company in the world, Royal Dutch Shell, they recently announced that it has invested in LO3, a New York-based company having Exergy platform that uses blockchain technology to track energy. That is very interesting. The current investment is actually the 4th blockchain-related public investment that Shell has done. They already have Congo, Apply Blockchain, and VOC in its blockchain company's portfolio. That is extremely promising. And finally, deal number 10. Steve Wozniak has recently joined an energy efficiently company called eForest that developed its products on blockchain. The company is based in Malta. The project aims to bring about money savings to the energy market. Woz is a huge supporter of blockchain. He believes that blockchain can help reduce energy consumption without negatively impacting consumers. Now, I hope you continue to support the blockchain movement by sharing with others what blockchain is and especially what blockchain is not. To learn more about blockchain, check my previous What and Why First posts. Now, do you know of any other recent blockchain deal? If you know about any other deal, please let me know about it in the comments section of this post. Until next time, cheers! Hi, I am Josue Batista from What and Why First. I created this video blog to share with you my thoughts about relevant trends in leadership, strategy, innovation, and value creation. If you want to watch more videos, make sure you follow my blog so you never miss any of my new videos with more tips about technology and business. And if you are already a senior leader in charge of making decisions in your organization, and you would like to put some of these strategies in place for yourself, go to josuebatista.com and learn how I can help you.